First time to have shopping here in Dipolog City. Ah.
This is nice.
Good morning. We are here in Mang Inasal, Mami and friends.
Table number 11.
Mang Inasal. You say hi, Mami. Hi, Mami.
Table number 27. Receiving. Table number 27.
This is Mang Inasal. A lot of people inside the mall. Waiting for our order. Halo, halo. Saan eh?